Hello everyone, let's start with problem number 4 of chapter 3, Admission of Partner, class 12, Accounts. Mr. Deep and Mr. Karan were in partnership, sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3 is to 1. So Deep and Karan are old partners and their profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 1. The balance sheet is given along with some adjustment. They admit Shubham. So new partner is Shubham into partnership on 1st April 2018 on this terms. See, new partner is admitted Shubham, and as we know, the new partner brings capital and goodwill. Let's have some recap. New partner brings capital and goodwill. When he brings capital, the entry is cash or bank account debited to new partner's capital account. And when he brings goodwill, there are always two entries: cash or bank account debited to goodwill account for the bringing of goodwill, and goodwill account debited to old partners capital account for the distribution of goodwill amongst all partners in the all profit sharing ratio. So these things are commonly written, and goodwill is processed further as per the conditions given in question. So we have cleared about the goodwill and cash, goodwill and capital. Let's see what is done here. He shall have to bring 20,000 as his capital for 1/5 share and 10,000 for the goodwill. So he has brought 20,000 as capital and 10,000 and as goodwill. We'll see further for the entries, and some more adjustments are given. We know if asset is increased, if asset is appreciated, it is written to the profit and loss adjustment credit side, and if asset is decreased, it is written to the debit side of profit and loss adjustment. So see what has to prepare here. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of new firm. So these three we have to prepare. And if we have a close look on the adjustment, the last adjustment says capital account of partners to be adjusted in the new profit sharing ratio through cash account. So when we close the capital account of partners, we have to show it to the closing balance along with this has to be adjusted through cash account. Therefore, in the working, we'll show cash account along with these accounts. So our account should be prepared in this way. First, profit and loss adjustment, next partners capital, balance sheet, and in the working note will show cash account. Let's start. He shall have bring 20,000 as capital. So capital entry we do cash or bank account debited to new partners capital account. It means cash or bank account debited to Shubham's capital account. We have cash account here, so cash account debited to Shubham's capital account. Shubham's capital account, and the amount of capital, that is 20,000. The second effect of it, we have partners capital account, Shubham's capital account. So credit side of Shubham, writing by cash or bank account. You can write cash account as in the question it is mentioned, and in the Shubham's column 20,000 as the amount of capital. Further, 10,000 as his share of goodwill, and nothing is mentioned. So two common entries: cash or bank account debited to goodwill account. He has bought goodwill, so amount in the amount column 10,000. And next effect, goodwill account credit side, we don't have goodwill account, so we'll not go for it. After this, we used to distribute this goodwill amount among two of the partners. For this, same thing, goodwill account debited to all partners capital account. So goodwill account is not there, but partners capital account credit side, writing by goodwill account. Now this amount of goodwill 10,000 will be distributed amongst all partners in the all profit sharing ratio. Nothing for new partner. Show the working note. Distribution of goodwill. 10,000 is the amount of goodwill. It is 10,000. So 10,000 into Deep and Karan. What is the share of them? This is 3 is to 1. It means 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. What is 4? The total of 3 and 1. Okay. So Deep's share is 3 upon 4 and Karan's share is 1 upon 4. Calculated. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Remains 2. 4 5s are 20, 2 zeros comes up, 2500 into 3. The answer will be 7500, and for this you will get 2500. So 7500 Deep and 2500 Karan. This is done for first adjustment. Next is a provision for 5% doubtful debt to be recorded on sundry debtors. So find out the sundry debtors amount 32,000, and on this we'll go for RDD of 5%. Asset side, write sundry debtors, the amount of it, that is 32,000 in the inner column, and less RDD at how much percent? At 5%. Now calculate 5% of 32,000. Show the working note RDD on debtors, 5% RDD on debtors. So 32,000 into 5 upon 100, 2 zeros cancel, 320 into 5. So that you will get 1600 as an RDD. This 1600 will be deducted from 32,000. You will get in the outer column 30,400. Now this RDD will be recorded to the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account, writing to RDD the amount of 1600, this here in the amount column. Move further. Third one, furniture to be depreciated by 20%. Find out the amount of furniture. Furniture is 11,000. So 11,000 furniture depreciation at 20%. Go to asset, write here furniture, the amount 11,000 in the inner column. Depreciation is always deducted, so depreciation, less depreciation at 20%. We'll go for working. 20% depreciation on furniture. The amount of furniture is 11,000. So 11,000 into 20 upon 100. Cancel this 2 zeros and this 2 zeros. 1100 into 2. It will be 2,200. So the amount of depreciation is 2,200 on furniture. 2,200 here. Deducted from 11,000, you will get 8,800 in the outer column. Depreciation, asset is depreciation, means decrease in the value of asset. It is recorded to the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account, writing to furniture. How much? 2,200 as an amount of depreciation. Next, stock should be appreciated by 5%. So go for stock. Amount of stock is how much? 20,000, and it is appreciated, means increased by 5%. Stock is asset, so go to asset side and write stock. The amount of stock was 20,000, so 20,000 here. It is appreciated, therefore it will be added. So add appreciation by 5%. Now we'll calculate 5% of 20,000. Show the workings. Appreciation of stock at 5%. So 20,000 into 5 upon 100. Cancel this 2 zeros. This 2 zeros. 200 into 5. It will be 1,000. So 1,000 will be added here. 20,000 plus 1,000 will be 21,000. And as the stock amount is increased, it is appreciated, therefore it will be returned to the credit side of profit and loss adjustment account. So write here by stock. You can write in bracket appreciation. Okay, so amount of appreciation 1,000 by stock account. Further, building to be appreciated by 20%. Building, amount of building is land and building 16,000, and it is appreciated by 20%. First of all, go to asset, write building or write land and building. The amount of land and building in the inner column 16,000. It is appreciated, so it will be added. So add appreciation at 20%. Now find 20% of 16,000. Workings, appreciation of land and building at 20%. 16,000 is the amount of land and building into 20 upon 100. So 0 zeros cancel, 0 and 0 cancel. 1600 into 2. 3,200. This 3,200 will be deducted from buildings amount, that is from 16,000, and after deduction 19,200 in the outer column. Again the building or the asset is appreciated. Credit side of profit and loss adjustment account, writing land and building, write in bracket appreciation, land and building account. Okay, so 3,200 in the amount column. Next, capital account of all partners to be adjusted in the new profit sharing ratio through cash account. For this we have to find new profit sharing ratio first, then the total capital of the firm, and the total capital will be distributed among 3 of the partners in the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so we'll calculate new profit sharing ratio first. Show the workings. We'll find new ratio. New ratio is equals to old ratio into balance of 1. We have seen in the prior videos how to calculate new ratios. Okay, so you will get the link in description. New ratio is equals to old ratio into balance of 1. We'll find balance of 1 first. Balance of 1 is equals to 1 minus new partner's share, and new partner share is, it is given in the very first adjustment, and new partner share is 1 upon 5, 1/5. So 1 minus 1 upon 5. Now calculate this. How? We will make the denominators equal. What is written in this denominator? Nothing means 1. So 1 can be made as 5 if it is multiplied by 5. So whatever we have done in numerator, the same is denominator, the same in the numerator. Now 5 ones are 5 upon 5 ones are 5, minus second fraction will be as it is. Here the denominators are made equal or common, so we will write it once. 5 minus 1 will be 4. It means balance of 1 is how much? 4 upon 5. Now we'll find the new ratio of the first. New ratio is equals to old ratio into balance of 1. Balance of 1 is 4 upon 5. Now what was the old ratio of them? It was 3:1. 3:1. It means 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. So old ratio of the is 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 into balance of 1. So into, what is balance of 1? 4 upon 5. Now 3 4s are 12 upon 4 5s are 20. Can it be bring lesser? Yes. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, this 0 down, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. It means the final fraction is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Okay. Go for new ratio of current. Current, old ratio first. Old ratio into balance of 1. So current's old ratio is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 into balance of 1 is 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. Okay. So 4 1s are 4 upon 4, 4 5s are 20. Can it be reduced further? Yes. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the new ratio is 1 upon 5. Deep 3 upon 5, current 1 upon 5. Let's check it. 3 upon 5 deep, 1 upon 5 current, and what was new partners share? It was 1 upon 5 only. Okay. So new ratio is how much? 3:1:1. It means 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. After calculation of new profit sharing ratio, we'll go for total capital of the firm. And the formula for total capital of the firm is equals to reciprocal of new partner share into new partner's capital. Reciprocal means opposite of new partner's share. What was the share of new partner? It was 1 upon 5 and it is given in first adjustment. Okay. So 1 upon 5 means 1 upon 5's reciprocal will be 5 upon 1, right? So 5 upon 1 means 5 only. Okay. Into new partner's capital. How much is the new partner's capital? Means how much he has bought as in capital. He has bought 20,000 as capital. So here 20,000 will be multiplied by 5. You will get 1 lakh. Okay, means total capital of the firm is 1 lakh. Now this 1 lakh will be divided amongst 3 of the partners, means first partner is Deep, second partner is Karan, and the newly partner admitted is Shubham. Shubham's capital is already given in the question as 20,000, means he has bought 20,000 as capital. This 1 lakh will be divided further amongst Deep and Karan. So 1 lakh into his share, Deep's new profit sharing ratio. Deep's new profit sharing ratio is 3 upon 5. Here 3 upon 5, same thing. So into 3 upon 5, and Karan same 1 lakh into Karan's new profit sharing ratio. Karan is second partner, means 1 upon 5. This is written 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5. No need to go for Shubham as it is already given in question. We'll get after calculation 60,000 as capital of Deep and 20,000 as capital of Karan. In the adjustment, it is mentioned that capital account of all the partners to be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio through cash account. It means here whatever the amount of capital we have found out for the partners, it will be adjusted or it will be shown as closing balance to the partners capital account. And when we close partners capital account, it will be adjusted through cash account. So this distribution will be shown to the partners capital account debit side to balance carried down as in closing balance, and the partners share means 60,000, 20,000 and 20,000 will be written in the partners column. 60,000, 20,000 and 20,000. And when we close this account, here we'll name it as to cash account. Okay, so this balance we show to the liability side too, writing capital account. So right here capital account we have 3 partners, Deep, Karan and Shubham. So Deep's balance is 60,000, 20,000 Karan and Shubham 20,000. Take the total of it in the outer column, it was 1 lakh. Now the adjustments are over. We'll transfer the remaining items. Okay, liabilities, sundry creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft will be transferred to the liability only. So sundry creditors 40,000, liability, bills payable 10,000, liabilities, and bank overdraft 11,000 liabilities. Now keep the textbook in front. We are there on liability side given in question. So after bank overdraft you are given with the capital account, capital balances. So this capital balances will be transferred to the credit side of partners capital account, writing by balance brought down. Deep 60,000 and Karan 20,000. After capital account you are given with general reserve. General reserve is also distributed amongst old partners. Okay, so by general reserve account, here we have to distribute this 8,000 amongst old partner in their old profit sharing ratio. Show the working note again. General reserve distribution among Deep and Karan, old partners. 8,000 is the amount and the old ratio is 3:1, means 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. So Deep 3 upon 4, 8,000 into 3 upon 4, and Karan 8,000 into 1 upon 4. Now calculate this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. This 3 zeros as it is. 2,000 into 3, how much? 6,000. And for this it will be 2,000. So distribution of general reserve is done as 6,000 and 2,000. We have made entry of general reserve. Deep 6,000 and 2,000 for Karan. Again follow the textbook or balance sheet given in the question. To the asset side we are on cash. Cash balance is given 40,000. So we have made cash account here. So this cash balance will be written here by balance brought down, and the amount of cash, that is 40,000. Move further. Sundry debtors are already done. Land and building, so here is land and building, this is done. Stock is also done. Now plant and machinery is not written, so we'll write plant and machinery, and the amount of plant and machinery is 30,000. So as it is in the outer column, 30,000. After plant and machinery, furniture is also done. So here we have completed with the transfer of or the remaining item of balance sheet. Now we'll go for the closings of account. We will close profit and loss adjustment account first. We'll take the total of debit side and credit side. We'll find the greater side. Take the total so that you can understand. You will get 4,200 total of credit and 3,800 total of debit. Which side is greater? 4,200. That means credit side is greater. So 4,200 will be written here. Transfer it to the opposite side. 4,200. Now out of 4,200, deduct the total of it. That it means 3,800 will be deducted. We will get balance as 400. This is called profit on revaluation. So we'll write 2 lines up, to profit on revaluation, or you can just write to profit on revaluation. Why are we writing revaluation here? Revaluation is nothing but profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, so this profit will be distributed among all partners in the all profit sharing ratio 400. Okay, so 400 has to distribute. Show some working. Profit on revaluation 400 into old ratio, that is 3:1, means 3 upon 4 old and 1 upon 4. Calculate this. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, this 2 zeros comes up. 100 into 3 will be 300. The same for this, the answer will be 400. So 300 and 400, sorry, 300 and 100. The distribution is done as 300 and 100. Now this will be transferred opposite side here, writing by profit on revaluation account. 300 Karan and 300 Deep, 100 Karan, nothing for Shubham. Now we'll go for the closing of partners capital account. Deep column will take first. Deep column debit side total is 60,000 and deep column credit side total is 73,800. You can do it. Okay, so credit side is greater, therefore we'll write it here 73,800. Transfer is to the opposite side, 73,800. Now out of 73,800, deduct 60,000 so that you will get 13,800, and this 13,800 will be adjusted through cash account. It is given in the last adjustment, therefore we'll write to cash account. Now we'll go for the currents. Currents debit side total is 20,000 and currents credit side total is 24,600. This will be transferred to the opposite side, 24,600, and out of 24,600, 20,000 will be deducted. So you'll get 4,600 as the balance, which is adjusted through cash account. In the same way, Shubham's debit side total is 20,000, credit side total is 20,000. So it is same. No balance, it will tally. So 20,000. 20,000, no balance. Okay, as the partners capital account is adjusted through cash account, we have cash account here, so the second effect of it will be transferred to the credit side by Deep capital account, and Deep's balance will write 13,800, and by Karan's capital account, and Karan's balance will write 4,600. Further, we'll close this cash account now. Take the total of debit side and credit sides column. Here, the balance of cash will not be written to the credit side. It is always written to the debit side, as we have studied in the ledger accounts. So, make some correction. Not to the credit side but to debit side, to balance brought down. This was 40,000. Now The total of debit side is 70,000 and the total of credit side is 18,400. So greater side is debit side, so 70,000 total will write, transfer is to the opposite side 70,000. Now the total of this means 18,400 will be deducted from 70,000, so 51,600 will be the balance, and it is called, it will be named as buy balance carried down, means it is closing balance. It is the balance of cash only, so cash is nothing but our asset. So write it here, cash account, and the balance of it that we have got here 51,600 will be written here 51,600. Now we can take the total of outer column asset side, outer column liability side. And the total of liability is 1,61,000. The same is of asset 1,61,000. Okay. So in this way we have to show the solution for the same problem with some important working notes. What is important here? Showing the new ratio and capital of the firm along with distribution of it. And this is all main solution. Okay, thank you so much.